the Inventor Challenge on the...
Come on, you're
Ready?
They don't want my club.
So we get hot picture और ऊपर. Bloopers में जा रहे हैं.
It should be called Bloopers. Your headphones and your beat. And your snob lines.
Towards your right.
Right, कहाँ है?
Acha, sorry guys, just one thing. The way I'm positioned, if I turn left, I literally cannot see Madhok and Malini at all.
Let me protect Malini from a really bad view.
अरे आपको तो देखा ही नहीं. Come here now. I can finally tell you what was the line. अरे आपको तो देखा ही नहीं. Come now. I can finally share.
Don't forget to subscribe. नहीं क्या button?
Enjoy the
bell
video.
on the Inventor channel. Oh my god.
Yeah.
फैन प्रोडक्ट आप व्हीकल के आगे वाले पार्ट कहीं भी लगा सकते हैं वेयर इट फेसेस मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ एयर एंड विल फ्लो.
आप तो विंड की तरह घूम रहे हैं थोड़ा. If you could just come back to the main spotlight, please.
Yeah.
But I think you have an aversion, towards coming close to me because I'm bombshell.
Okay, fine. Great. Wow.
Can you walk towards me?
Okay.
Okay. So, hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Now you got tired looking at his face.
Yeah. So now, she has a band for kids who are lost. But what about for people who are lost in life? Is there any solution for that?
Oh my god.
And catch them only on Colors Infinity on the Inventor channel. Starts nahi.
Your scene is very ugly.
Madhok is a liar.
That's true.
बुढ़ापा मैं हूँ लेकिन सियापा ये है.
And on Inventor Challenge YouTube channel. On
Oh, we don't do that? Fine.
We'll get back to you. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Menadeen, 2 minutes. Christine, I think we should figure out who's going to be part of the Billionaire Boys Club.
Yeah.
Hey, I take offense to that. What do you mean billionaires boys?
Only because there's boys here. Only because of that.
I think we have to start voting some of the boys off the panel now.
I'm so excited.
Okay, we have one more. We have the easy one.
Unfortunately, one of you will go through winners of the Inventor
There's
Challenge.
nothing unfortunate about
I know. I was like,
Okay.
unfortunately, one of you will win.
Fortunately.
I meant
And the Inventor Challenge YouTube channel.
Don't forget to
Like, share,
Subscribe.
subscribe.
comment.
comment,
If you like what you saw, don't forget to
like, share,
Comments.
Subscribe to the Inventor Challenge YouTube channel.